Hey, what's up, guys? It's December 7th, and I've done a lot of work on the layout. All I have to do is lay the yard down and then do all the scenic details. The track of everything else is down, the engine facility, the sidetrack, and the scrapyard. Check it out. Let's see what I've done so far. You can see how I have different heights on the bench work, N scale roadbed, and an HO scale. This is mainline, siding, spur. You come off the siding. This is the east main line. You come off onto the siding. You can drop off some scrap over to the pick up some scrap or drop off an empty gondola, and then you can leave, or you can just bypass that right along the siding and on over into the engine facility, which I was able to squeeze 5 tracks into, which I'm really happy with. Or just go right past the engine facility and back onto the main. As you can see here, the engine facility is also right to the bench work. And then the siding, the main line. I have to lay the yard down now, and then get to doing some scenery work. Here's part of the yard. What is it going to look like? As you can see, I'm listening to some Christmas music, and that's what I've done so far. Okay, hope you like it. Peace out.